AI app builders are getting a lot of attention right now. And if you've spent any time online, well, you've seen the claims. Build your apps, your software faster, cheaper, and without developers. But if you are using spreadsheets to handle the information in your business, you might be thinking, where does an AI app builder actually come in? Are they a replacement, a better alternative, or do the two work together? And that's what we are going to explore in this video. Hey there, I'm Alex Knowles from automationhelpers.com, and we have helped hundreds of businesses understand and adopt the right tools, portals, apps, and integrations. And in this video, we're going to compare spreadsheets and AI app builders and look at where each fits within a modern business. Now, over the past year or two, AI app builders have started appearing everywhere. Platforms like Lovable and Base44 have surprisingly mammoth marketing budgets. They claim to help you build custom business applications cheaper, faster, and without the need of a custom developer. And naturally, that raises some questions. If spreadsheets already work, why build an app? What problems are AI app builders actually solving? And where does it make sense to use one instead of simply sticking with the tools you already have? We'll answer those questions throughout this video, so keep watching. We will look at where spreadsheets excel, pun intended, where they can start creating friction, and how AI app builders are helping businesses to build better systems, workflows, software, applications, and processes on top of the information they already manage. We'll also touch on where database platforms like Airtable and SmartSuite fit into the picture, because in many cases, they are an important part of the conversation. In fact, if you are still exploring the differences between spreadsheets and a database platform like Airtable, I created a video comparing the two, so go ahead and watch that here. But for now, let's start with the role that spreadsheets play in business operations and why they've been such a popular tool for so long. Despite all the excitement around AI, spreadsheets aren't disappearing anytime soon. And there's good reason for that. They're simple, they're flexible, and they're configurable. Whether you're managing customer lists, tracking projects, analyzing sales data, forecasting budgets, or keeping an eye on expenses or inventory, spreadsheets provide a fast and familiar way to work with information. And that's why they've become such a staple for businesses of every size. In many cases, a spreadsheet tool is the right tool for the job. The challenge isn't the spreadsheet itself, but how information in that spreadsheet is handled. And this is where the conversation starts to shift. Because while spreadsheets are excellent for managing information, they're not the most effective way to deliver that information to different people. And this is exactly where AI app builders enter the picture. Now, one of the biggest misconceptions is that AI app builders were built to replace spreadsheets. But in reality, they solve a completely different problem. Think of a spreadsheet as the place where information is stored and managed. An AI-powered application is often the layer that sits on top of that information. Instead of giving everyone access to rows, columns, and formulas, you create experiences that are tailored to specific users. A manager might see a dashboard, a customer might see a project portal, a technician might see a simple mobile app showing today's assigned jobs. Everyone is interacting with the same underlying information. They are just interacting with it in a way that's relevant to them. And that's an important distinction here. Because the goal isn't necessarily to move away from spreadsheets, the goal is to make the information in the spreadsheet easier to use. So here I have a spreadsheet that helps the team manage requests. Pretty straightforward, but every time a request comes in, I don't want all members updating the same sheet, because this is simply how things break. So instead, I use this spreadsheet as a data source, and then I built a front layer on top of that. So with Zite, the AI app builder we're looking at today, it took me a matter of minutes to build, then a couple hours of tweaking to make sure everything was correctly connected and worked properly. And I was able to turn that simple spreadsheet into a multi-view application. Now, that doesn't mean that every spreadsheet should have its own custom application. Far from it. There are plenty of spreadsheets that have been adapted and created to work with how your team gets their job done. But there are certain signs that a process may benefit from something more. These are often workflow challenges rather than data challenges. The information already exists. The issue is how people interact with it. And that's often where AI app builders can provide the most value. Not by changing the information itself, but changing the experience around the information. Now let's make this a little more practical, because the request management we quickly looked at, well, that's just one example. The same concept applies for almost any business process. Think of a sales team. The information might already exist inside a spreadsheet, a CRM, but a salesperson doesn't necessarily need access to all information. They simply need a clear view of their prospects, upcoming follow-ups, and current opportunities. Here, we can see we've done just that. So when a salesperson comes in to begin their work, they're only shown the information that actually matters to them. They've also got a clean UI so they can make updates after sales calls or closes. Or another example, let's consider a field service business. The office team might be managing schedules, customers, invoices, and job information. But the technician heading into a job site doesn't need all of that at all. They just need to see today's jobs, details, and the ability to upload information when they need to. Now, an AI app builder can create these tailored experiences that we've just looked at without changing the information that lives in the backend behind it. Again, everyone is still working from that same underlying data. We just changed the experience. If there's one word that keeps appearing around the conversation of AI app builders, it's friction. Every business has it. Maybe it's entering the same information multiple times or constantly answering the same questions. Maybe it's switching between systems just to complete a simple task. Individually, none of these issues are a big deal, but over weeks, months, years, they add up. And that's often where businesses start exploring alternative approaches. Not because a spreadsheet is broken, but because the workflow around it has become more complicated than it needs to be. The less friction there is between people and information, the easier it is for things to flow through the business. Now, before we go any further, it's worth discussing databases briefly. Tools like Airtable and SmartSuite that allow you to build relational databases to get your work done. Spreadsheets are brilliant for many use cases. AI app builders often become even more powerful when they are connected to structured data. This is where platforms like Airtable and SmartSuite come into the conversation. Unlike traditional spreadsheets, databases are designed to handle relationships between information. Customers connect to projects, projects to tasks, tasks to team members. Everything remains linked together. Again, if you would like a deeper explanation of that concept, I created a video, so go ahead and check it out. But the important takeaway here is that AI app builders don't really care whether the information comes from a spreadsheet, a database, Airtable, or another business system. What matters is that the information is organized and accessible. And of course, the better the data structure, the easier it is to interact with and build on top of. So when does it make sense to actually use an AI app builder? And that's hard to answer. Now, it's definitely not when you have too much data. It's more so when the people in your team are struggling with the current processes and tools. For example, you have a spreadsheet, but you want certain staff to only be able to access certain parts of it. Or you have another spreadsheet, but you want customers to see updates without exposing internal information. Or you want a mobile-friendly experience for teams in the field. Or maybe you want dashboards instead of manual reporting. Or you want to create workflows that are easier to follow and harder to break. These are the situations where AI app builders come in and provide real value. Because you're no longer thinking about information storage, you're thinking about usability. And that's an important distinction. At the same time though, not every process needs an app. In fact, one of the bigger mistakes that businesses make is adopting new technology when they don't need it. If a spreadsheet is working well, your team understands it, and the process is running smoothly, there's often no reason to change anything. An app builder doesn't automatically make your processes better, and if the underlying process is messy, well, you're going to have to fix that before assuming that the app builder can do it for you. That's why it's often worth stepping back and asking a simple question. Are we solving a genuine business problem? Or are we just chasing the latest technology trend? Because sometimes the answer is a better built custom application, and sometimes it's a better built spreadsheet. And perhaps that's the biggest takeaway from this conversation. The future isn't AI app builders versus spreadsheets. For many businesses, it's spreadsheets with AI app builders. The spreadsheet, database, or business system remains the source of truth. The AI application becomes the interface that makes that information easier to use. Each plays a different role, and when used together correctly, they create workflows that are powerful and streamlined. If you and your business are looking for help to streamline and automate your processes, well, I've left a link in the description of this video where you can get a free 30-minute consultation with one of our experts today. So go ahead, click the link, and see how we can help your business.